Hi guys, my name is Irina and welcome back to my channel where I review everything tech. In today's video, let's open the box with the new Google Pixel 4a 5G. Thank you Google for sending this phone to me for review, and let's get started and open the box. I got my Pixel 4a 5G in black. You could also get it in white in some stores. The design is very similar to the Pixel 4a, but this phone is bigger, and most importantly, you get two cameras on the Pixel 4a 5G. Aside from the phone, in the box you get a SIM tool and a manual, an 18-watt USB-C power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and a quick switch adapter. The Pixel 4a 5G has a minimalist design, and as usual, this little touch the power button on the side. Just like the Pixel 4a, this phone has a polycarbonate body, and the advantage of the polycarbonate body is that this phone is super lightweight. Also, the Pixel 4a 5G has a 3.5mm headphone jack. If I put the Pixel 4a 5G, the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a next to each other, you will see that the Pixel 4a 5G is the biggest one between these three. This phone has a 6.2-inch OLED display, the biggest display between these three phones, which were all released in 2020. As you can see, we get pretty small bezels on the Pixel 4a 5G, especially if I put this phone next to the last year's Pixel 4 XL. We have a hole punch selfie camera here in the corner, and I must say the overall design is very similar to its brothers, the Pixel 4a and the Pixel 5. This phone runs on the Snapdragon 765G, just like on the Google Pixel 5, meaning this phone should be pretty fast. However, instead of 8GB of RAM that we get on the Pixel 5, here we only get 6GB, just like on the Pixel 4a. And when it comes to storage, we have the usual 128GB of unexpandable storage on this device. The camera setup on this phone is just like on the Pixel 5, so here we have a 12.2-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera. And I took a few photos and videos for you guys. Let me know what you think. We have a 3885 mAh battery on the Pixel 4a 5G, and as always, let's do a charging test and see how long it takes to fully charge this phone. So I'm gonna use the 18-watt charging brick and the cable that I got in the box, so let's set up a timer. Let's go. In 30 minutes, we get 45% on the Pixel 4a 5G. In 1 hour, as you can see, we get 82%. In 1 hour and 30 minutes, we get 98%. And finally, it takes about 1 hour and 38 minutes to fully charge the Pixel 4a 5G. When it comes to the price of this phone, you can get the Google Pixel 4a 5G for $499 in the US. If you ask me, I think this phone seems like a good option, especially if you want to get a slightly bigger display than the one you get on the Pixel 5 and at the same time don't want to pay more money. I really like the size of this phone, it's not too bulky, but at the same time, as a fan of big screens, I don't feel like this display is not enough for me. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 4a 5G and if you're gonna upgrade this year. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one.